Plug this thing into my battery. So far nothing. Says 7.2 watts. Alright. Plug this thing into there. Well, it really sticks in there, eh? And I got nothing. You see anything? Nothing. Nothing. Okay, well, it doesn't work one way. Let's try this way now. This thing really feels shit. No offense. So it's just the one side. 6.6 watts, it said. 2.4 watts, 7.2, 6.9. Okay, plug it in there. 19 watts. And plug it in this one. 17 watts. Alright, so it works, I guess. That's pretty good. It's really tight to click in there, and at first you don't really feel like it's gonna fit, but yeah, I know, just press tight, it works great. I wish I could still show you, but of course it won't let me.